friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Ditley Has Plans. In today's video, I am sharing with you my latest sticker haul. So let's take a look. Alrighty friends, so in this video, I have stickers from Saia Planning, Orange Umbrella Co, and Planner Kate. So let's just dive right in. I'm gonna put these ones to the side and we're gonna start with Saia Planning. So first up are a couple of custom labels that I had done. Saia was so generous, she gave them to me in both the horizontal layout and a vertical layout. And what these are album labels that I'm going to put on my sticker albums. I did a whole reorganization of my stickers and I needed some new labels for them. So what I have here are the months. I have 3 different albums. I've split them with 4 months per album. I've got my Clean Mama little mini album here, and so she did it in both versions, which I really appreciate. So these are really great. I love it. And then this kit here, it's a weekly kit. It's called Red and Black Floral. And I've got some appointment labels here, just various decorative as well as functional. I love the little stitch boxes there. This is sort of the sampler page. It's got a full box. It's got the days of the week. And what I love about Saia's kits is I love that she does the date cover in like a really thick box. So it serves as both a washi as well as a date cover. It's really great the way it works out. There's 4 strips of washi here. There's a couple of little check boxes, a next week. Very nice. And then here you've got some bottom washi and then some more boxes and a couple of little doodads. This here is a hand drawing that I believe you did, right, Saia? It was because you gave me a sheet of these little happy mails. Very, very cute. So I love that one. And then this one is called Wild Poppies. And what it is you'll find this on her site under the Budget by Paycheck workbook monthly kits. And so I just asked her to do it in a weekly kit for me. Saia's so great about that kind of thing, friends. If you see a pattern or a print that you really like, but it's not in like the vertical or whatever that you plan with, you can just ask her and she's always more than happy to accommodate. So again, I have the functional labels and boxes, and then I have the date covers and washi. I just loved this little floral here. These poppies are so pretty. And of course, the golden poppy is the state flower of California, so I thought that was really sweet. But here's the wide washi, and again, just the same sheet of boxes and a couple little doodads, the happy mail icon. So very sweet. So I have 2 weekly kits here. I'll just kind of take one last look at them. And then my custom labels. So those are from Saia Planning. And then let's take a look at what I ordered from Planner Kate next. So just a couple of things. We've got her business card. And of course, her discount code that's always good is PKLove20 for 20% off. So we've got lots of little freebies. I love the canceled. Cute little doodles here. Some little dots. Habit trackers. These are in pastel colors. Very pretty. Oh, I like these little quotes. Time to clean, steady time, work from home, out to eat. Cute little scripts there. And then just some plain colored boxes there. So those are the freebies. And then this is kit 421. It's called To Our Moms. And I have here the date strip headers for Plum. I love this kind of tealy sage blue green. So pretty. And I like the new font that she formatted. This is cute. We've got the sampler page with all the cute little icons. Lots of appointment labels and functional boxes. This beautiful washi. I loved this. And then the full box to Mom. I thought that was really pretty. I just love the colors. The really soft colors. I don't know why, but for Mother's Day, I just kind of like the soft colors. Full sheet of washi here. This is sheet B. Pretty, isn't that? So sweet. Okay, and then the full boxes. Look at how gorgeous these are. I love these. I love the florals. So dainty. This reminds me of Sophie's room. Okay, and then this is kit 420. It's called Sunny Spring. I loved the artwork on this sheet, the deco here. I had to get this extra sheet. Look at how pretty these florals are. So cute. This is really cute with like the teacup and the camera there, rainbows. This is cute. I like that. And then I did this as a monthly. So this is sheet 2 and here's sheet 1. So this is for the plum. So I plan to use this in my plum paper planner. And there's just so much on this sheet. So you get 2 strips of washi. You've got the headers. You've got lots of scripts here, lots of functional appointment labels, basic labels, your date dots, and then lots of dots here as well. This is where I love all of these happy birthdays and some cute little icons. And then on this sheet, again, tons of appointment labels, functional boxes, some more sweet little icons. These cover the extra boxes on the 2-page spread, and then the sidebar, and then 2 more strips of washi. So just a lot chalked into that. And then what I also bought, let's see, to go with the monthly is the highlights. So this will go on the highlights page of my plum. I don't use this big habit tracker here, but I do like all of the scripts and then these boxes here. Cute. And then I did buy the extra washi, partly because I do need an extra strip of washi here on the highlights page that is not on this page. And then I plan to use this washi on my Clean Mama monthly cleaning page. I loved this pattern with the dark navy behind it. I thought that was really pretty. Okay, so that is Sunny Spring. That's a monthly with some extra deco. And then this is to our moms. This was my Mother's Day week kit that I plan to use. So those are what I got from Planner Kate. Okay, and then finally, let's take a look at what I got from Orange Umbrella Co. So in this order, tucked underneath this kit here, is the Lemon Stand Mystery Kit. I've never ordered a mystery kit from Orange Umbrella Co., so I was really excited to do that for the first time. Here's their business card with all of the information on where you can find them on social. And then I used my friend Megan. I used her discount code. This is her freebie. She's Megan from Megan B Plans It All. Super cute, little spaz cat. I love that. So that's her freebie. And then let's take a look at the other freebies that we got. Oh, this is really cute. So this is so in right now, all of these plant stickers. Cute, there's a cactus there. Retail therapy, oh my gosh, I love it. That's a great one. Some nice, just functional rainbow colored boxes. Oh, laundry sticker, that's a good one to have. And then plan next week, also great freebie. And then look at this one. This is part of the mystery kit freebie. That is so cute, I love it. A couple little deco pieces there. That's awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this kit. This is kit 142, and it's simply called Memorial Day. So I'm gonna use this for Memorial Day week. So I have the full boxes. I loved this cow. I come from, so the nickname of my town used to be Cowtown. So we used to call ourselves a cow town. So I love that. We now have a new nickname. It's like we're Farm to Fork or something like that. So anyways, loved all of these full boxes. I have the date strip headers for Plum. It also has a weekend banner on there. And again, because I love that cow and I loved all of this USA here, I got the full page of washi. And then I got some sparkle washi. I used some sparkle washi a couple weeks ago and I thought it was really fun. So I just wanted to add that. Red is a great basic color. I could use it for Memorial Day and then save what's left over for, you know, in July, for 4th of July. And then we have mini kit page 1. So we've got another weekend banner and she's reformatting her sticker kits for the mid-year launch. I think the weekend is coming off of either this sheet. I think it's coming off of this sheet. She's got a video, so be sure to check it out. And it's staying on this one. But I love the fact that they're 2 different colors. So, you know, that's great to save and use in another week. But again, just the cute washi. And I love this one with the pink. I like the mini kits. I'm really finding them really geared to the way I plan because there's lots of functional boxes. I get all the scripts that I need, but I don't have to buy the full sheet of scripts that she does. So this is perfect for me. So I have the first sheet and then the second sheet, and you get this full box. So if you didn't want to buy the full box page, you at least get this full box. Like this is what I'll put down in that little corner of my plum paper vertical. So more functional and decorative boxes and these cute little sticky note ones, and then more washi. So I really find the mini kit, the page 1 and page 2, to be a really great economical way to sticker up your book every week. Like even if you just did these 2 pages And the date strips, I mean, you get a lot between just these 3. Do I go a little crazy? I do, friends, because you know I can't help it. It's stickers. Okay, so let's take a look at the mystery kit. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I ordered the deco. And what's cool about the way she did her mystery kit was it wasn't like a pre-packaged kit. You could still go in and choose which sheets you like. So if you're a regular Orange Umbrella Co. shopper like I am, then you know kind of what sheets you like. So I went in and I did the deco because I just wanted to see, because it was a mystery, wanted to see what it would be. Love hydrangeas. These are so cool. That is so sweet, the little lemonade stand. Okay, so here's the full boxes. That's beautiful. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. How cute. Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna use that in my corner box. So cute. Okay, and then I did, because I wasn't sure, I did go ahead and I ordered lots of appointment labels. And then I did get the date strip header. So that's my weekend banner there. And then I did get the full page of washi. Oh, I love all of this washi. So pretty. Okay, so I think that between covering my dates, lots of washi to do all my borders that I do, my appointment labels, full boxes to decorate with, and some deco to decorate with, I think I'm going to be good. I didn't buy the full page of scripts because I have lots of scripts that I feel I can just fill in with. So this is what I did. I did these 5 sheets as part of the mystery kit. So just, you know, keeping it kind of at a minimum. Alrighty, so that's it. Let me pull everything back in for one last look. Alrighty, friends, so that's it. Again, fun little things from Saia Planning, Orange Umbrella Co., and Planner Kate. Well, friends, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch featured content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.